Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own taxes. First, gather all your essential financial documents, such as W-2s and Form 1099, to ensure you have everything ready. Next, choose a reputable tax software or online platform that suits your needs for a smooth process. Finally, determine your correct filing status, which is crucial for identifying applicable deductions and credits that can save you money. Once you have your documents and software, begin by accurately inputting all your income from various sources. This includes wages, interest, and any other earnings. Then, identify and enter all eligible deductions. These can significantly reduce your taxable income, so be sure to claim everything you qualify for, such as student loan interest or certain medical expenses. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered. Mistakes can cause delays or issues, so take your time. Double-check your bank account details if you're expecting a direct deposit refund or making a payment. Once you are confident everything is correct, you can electronically file your return directly through the tax software, which is usually the fastest method. After successfully filing your taxes, it's important to keep copies of your return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. You can then track the status of your refund or payment online using the tools provided by the IRS. While most returns are processed smoothly, be aware that the IRS might have follow-up questions, so keep an eye on your mail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.